Got the truck stuck in the mud. Nice job.
Yeah, yeah. Looked, didn't look as bad as what it was.
I was thinking, so if we ever die, this is gonna go on iCloud. I don't know what happened.
Found a bear. We're about a mile away. We got a mile to walk.
You know, my shoes muddy. Both of us.
And look at me. I barely got mine.
Yeah, because I slipped. You know what else? We gotta go through all that water we went through on the way here.
Nah. There's just puddles. You can always walk in there and not have a side of spots.
I want to look in here just because we can.
Just a bench on the cinder block.
I wish I had a belt.
What?
Wish I had a belt. Not gonna be walking a mile without a belt. There's 2 chairs, a bunch of Monster and water.
Yeah. We didn't clean it up, huh?
There's a bullet. Empty. Now there's like a pee bottle in there too. It looks like it's really old drink.
You still videoing?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it all the way.
All the way?
Like a little vlog. Vlog squad.
That's funny.
Yeah, we definitely wouldn't have made it across the creek.
Well,
Well,
yeah.
come and look at it up here.
Yeah, we'll walk over to it. We've got all the time in the world now. I never thought that low spot in that field would have been so deep.
I thought there was a bunch of water, but I wasn't gonna say anything.
Well, now you're gonna say that. It's funny.
That was a little nice creek.
You gonna build a dam real quick? I would like to walk over there, Jonathan, but I don't know how mushy all that is.
That doesn't look too wet, but
I know that goes in there. That's wet. Maybe at the high side over here we can try.
check if you have service.
Huh?
Check if you have service.
Apparently we have service 100 yards away. No service. You're in the 6, buddy. No, we'll try.
That's where it came.
I hope someone's got some tall boots. So we can, we'll have to wade in.
Yeah, they probably do have waders.
Not waders, just tall boots.
There are deer marks out there.
What was it?
Hooves. Or hoof marks, whatever they're called.
Hood. There used to be a crossing down here years ago.
It doesn't look too high. It doesn't look that bad. Like what you guys were saying.
Well, no, to me, it's not bad at all. Look how clear that water is there.
It doesn't look bad at all. There's now looks terrible.
Huh?
There's now is like really.
Well, that's not out of banks at all.
Yeah.
You can definitely cross it at the flat bottom, which is about a quarter mile that way.
It's really clear.
I told you it would be. There used to be a deer stand right in this area, because this is a natural cross right here for the deer.
They swim.
No, they don't. They will swim, but they would rather cross on shallow water.
Oh, like over there.
Right, natural cross form. So, continue our adventure.
Ah. I stepped on a stick on the other side of it, came up and hit me in the face.
So I just noticed that someone put a
path
there.
I saw a couple of those.
Huh?
I saw a couple of those.
That may save us a few steps from having to walk all the way down around that field and come back up. Because the house is basically up there. So I think we try that. But definitely won't have water on it. Look at this. That's a good deer print right there. See that?
Yeah, I saw a couple of those.
Yep. I just wonder if they cut it all the way up. Even if they didn't, trying to get my bearings. So there, yeah, we're gonna do it.
Is that a bone?
Nah, I think wood.
Looks like a bone. It's not. You got dress shoes on.
Yep.
I only got Vans. My feet are wet.
Sorry, buddy. Feel a burn in your legs yet?
Mm-mm. I gotta go pee.
Turn your video off?
Nah, I'll let it go. Still got my AirPods in my wallet.
What?
I still got my AirPods in my wallet.
Good. Except that there they go. I was like, what are you talking about there they go? What are you laughing about?
Whole situation. I told my kids, I'll be like, remember when Grandpa got, I remember this one time, Grandpa got me and him stuck mudding. Not even mudding, we're just going, we got stuck in water. We had to walk through the woods, back home.
Eventually we cut that road that came down off the hill.
How's your knee?
It's alright. Should be better. We're almost to the top.
Is there a good view up here?
Nope.
Ow.
Watch your
Just poked my,
city boy.
hit my eye on these branches.
He didn't die. I like the one also.
There's the top. Still gotta go that way. Is anyone here?
Huh?
Is anyone here?
I don't know. Here, check
Check the visors.
Yeah, right? Well, at least I knew that came up like that, huh?
Yeah, that would have been way longer. Yeah, that would have taken like another hour. Or like, I don't know.
We'll try that Jeep over and see if the keys ring it.
That Jeep's got a flat tire.
Huh?
That car's got a flat tire. Well. Looks like this one hasn't moved in a while.
Huh?
I think this one has a flat tire too. No. Oh yeah. In the visor. Oh, it's not starting. Oh, that's depressing. Oh. Nope. Nope. Back is in the visor. It's definitely a farm truck. The keys were in there, but it won't turn on. I mean, you can see the house from here.
Yeah, reception.
Nice. Got reception. Ooh, I wish I had a belt. Pants are falling down that whole time. Got my little cunt action going. You know.
Hello. Yeah, can you hear me? So we got the truck stuck down in one of the pastures. We had to walk back. We're here at the other house. It's amazing how wet it is down there. So I don't know what they want to use, one of the tractors or whatnot. All right. So we're not going to walk any further.
really pretty.
We just walked up the side of the.
Let's go check out this tornado shelter.
We'll send someone down to get us. That'd be great.
Tornado shelter from a long time ago. This is an old barrel, not barrel, stock. The farm over there. Some tractors over there. This tornado shelter. Hopefully nothing down here. God, it's really low. Yeah?
He said if you walk that far, bud, walk the rest.
Yeah. You can see the house from here.
Yeah, I know. It's a half mile.
It just smells like paint and...
What?
It just smells like paint and like dirt. God, it's really, the ceilings are really low. It's a tornado shelter. I got golf clubs. If you ever want to golf over here. What are
Basically,
those?
took the old doors off and everything.
I think those are peaches. Do you think peaches would be in here?
Hmm?
What about peaches?
Yeah, the grandma used to store stuff that she would get down there.
These are old peaches.
Yep. Probably 20 years.
There's a gas can.
So. There's no gas can here.
Look how short these doors are. So we walking?
Nope, they're gonna send somebody down.
A whole rabbit or something. See this old gun?
Yeah. Toast.
I have duct tape on it.
Well, you get the full effect.
Full farm experience.
What are we gonna do about them shoes?
Get new ones.
Well, no, I think we should probably toss them in the washer while you're here and let them tumble in the dryer for a few minutes.
Isn't it low in that house?
I don't need to tell you about it anymore. I think she uses it for people that come down and hunt. They built that as a bunker for hunting years ago. It's got like bunk beds and all that shit.
The bunker was really small. But I bet it could get through a tornado. Yeah, bullets, rocks. There's a beer can.
Shocker.
Well, it's 18 minutes now.
You can say we came up there, but we went in down there, went all the way around,
Yeah, we started over there.
and then got stuck down there. So we came up the side of the.
We went like a long time down there. Took by the river. Basically all the way over there. Had to walk up the side of the mountain. Or hill. It's more of a hill.
Hill, mountain, whatever. They ain't saying nobody in a hurry to get us, are they?
Why not? Probably letting us sit.
I'm going to get some high boots, chain. But really only two of us should go because the tractor only holds 2 people.
You and Patrick.
Probably.
I want to come. Just think if there's room.
Well, there's room on the way back, just on the way down.
On the
It's
right-
about where do you sit on the tractor, but we'll figure it out.
On the way down, I'll just walk.
Take you a while. I don't want you walking in the woods by yourself either.
It took us 15 minutes to walk here.
I
We're
know.
going up.
But you should never go out in the woods by yourself.
You were saying how you did. You would hunt by yourself.
I know, because I grew up out here. That's why I knew that would take us where it needed to be. You know, I don't get lost. They're coming in something. So, cavalry's here.
That's what Patrick was driving.
Yeah.
That's no, it's not. Who is that? Patrick.
The fields are soaking wet.
Oh yeah, I bet. I mean, it's been raining for like 3 weeks here.
Well, we got all the way over here in that left pasture. And I was going to take him around the edges to see the creek. We saw some water. I was like, that can't be that deep. But right up to the, I don't think the 4-wheel drive works that well in the truck anyway. 4 high does, 4 low doesn't, but whatever. So, good thing, like I said, I know the area. We would have had to walk all the way back down and come up this hill, but they cut a path right there.
Yeah.
Goes straight down, so we just came up that path. I knew that was the direction. So,
Yeah, I'll get down there and see if I can get her.
Well, you need it to take a tractor. There's no way to get it out of it. I rocked it as much as I could. So whatever they got that's...
Yeah, I might be able to take a bag of gravel down there though and put it underneath the tile.
Well, problem is, we had to...
It's muddy everywhere.
Yeah, we had to run. We had to jump from grass top to grass top. He slipped off, got his shoes all soaked and muddy. I was able to dance on the grass tops well enough. We saw, what is it, 4 deer?
3.
3?
I slept on the grass tops, but I slipped off of one of them with
Yeah.
my foot.
Well, I saw a tractor underneath the shed back there. I don't know if... I don't want to leave it stuck is my thing.
Yeah,
So
no,
I want
we'll
to...
get it. I'll go down there and look at it and see what's... This is where I don't want to get stuck. This is not a four-wheel drive. Yeah, me and Tamara will walk down there and see what we can do.
Is everybody else here?
Somebody showed up, but actually,
My mom's there.
Yeah, a couple people now that I've left have showed up. Now I can't get into the spot where this car goes.
Park in the yard.
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm gonna park over here beside this.
Alright, well, that was my dad getting the truck stuck.
Huh? Are you still
Follow
on
up.
video?
Yeah.
You're funny.
Follow up with another video of us getting it out.